Your mission: take the McDonald's Shamrock Shake and bring it down to a keto shake that the entire family will love. Are you prepared to take this mission? I'm Shelly, and I'm on a mission to make that McDonald's Shamrock Shake totally keto, and I've nailed it. So mission accomplished. We have crazy easy ingredients. We're gonna have some Ready Whip, of course, which is low carb, heavy whipping cream, and we are using kind of our secret. This is the Enlightened Keto Collection Mint Chocolate Chip Ice Cream. Got our mixer here. We're gonna take this apart. Now, just to let everybody know, the McDonald's Shamrock Shake. Now, I know a lot of things about the McDonald's Shamrock Shake. It is crazy high in carbs. It is 113 grams of carbs. That is 8 or 9 bread slices. I might have messed that up, but we'll put a graphic in if I made a mistake with that. But still, who is gonna sit there and eat 8 slices of bread? Well, actually, I might know a couple folks who will do that. We're starting with a 1/3 cup of our heavy whip. Now, some folks are gonna ask me, can we use almond milk? Sure, but I want a shake. I don't want anything kind of thin. We're gonna use a cup of our Enlightened ice cream. Now, if you're familiar with keto ice creams, and there's a couple others, there's Rebel, they're very hard to, kind of scoop out. They'll say, hey gang, let this sit on the counter for about 5 to 10 minutes or so. But a trick that I use, you notice that I took this spoon out of a cup. This is hot water in here, and it allows me to scoop it in here. Now, I love the mint flavor in this ice cream. Some folks may tell me, they're like, hey Shelly, it's not minty enough for me. So I do have in the description box below the recipe, and I did give the option if you wanted to add a 1/4 teaspoon of any kind of peppermint extract. For me, I think it is just a beautiful mint flavor. I'm gonna go ahead and scoop this in here. Mission accomplished. Yes, I did that.
Wow.
The recipe is in the description box below. And hey, while you're down there, be sure to subscribe to our channel to get some more fun keto recipes. And also be sure to download our 7-day keto menu. My name is Shelly, and this is a mission accomplished.